So hello viewers and welcome to Skillforce, and in this video I am going to tell you what is an algorithm in computer science. Basically, before going to this video I would like to tell you that if you are watching our channel for the first time, then make sure that you subscribe for the more videos relating to programming languages and skills which should learn by every engineering student in order to become an ultimate person. So let us continue with this video. So first of all, I would like to tell you that after this completion of this video, what is an algorithm, you will get other videos also related to flowcharts and programming languages like C, Python, JavaScript, and remaining also, which will be further implemented in our channel. So if you move on to the content, so if you want to know about an algorithm, first of all you should know what is the use of an algorithm. So generally, to do a specific task, you must require some steps, right? So simply these steps are called as an algorithm. So algorithm is nothing but a set of instructions that is used to solve a specific program or problem or to perform a specific task. So if you want to write a program, you should know what is an algorithm. So after writing an algorithm only, you can proceed to that program. If you don't know the algorithm, like if you don't know the steps to write and to perform a program in any kind of programming language, then you can't even write a proper program. So algorithm is very much important to write a program in any kind of programming language. So if you move on to the next step, I am here to explain you what is an algorithm in a simpler step. So if you want to prepare a dish, assume like it was a biryani. So first of all, you should start the process. So first step in algorithm will always be starting the process, and the last step in an algorithm will always be ending that process. In the middle there are three parts which are called as input, processing and output. Let us take a dish, like it may be your favorite dish, take any kind of dish which is your favorite. So first suppose I am taking here biryani. So to make a biryani, first of all, we need ingredients, right? These ingredients are nothing but the inputs which are giving to our specific task. And the next step is process. So after the ingredients, after adding some ingredients to your dish, you should mix that dish, right? This is nothing but the process. And the next step will be after completion, you will get an ultimate output, right? Which is also called as the final dish. This will be the output. So simply let me explain with taking two of the examples here. So first of all, I am taking an example. Write an algorithm to read and display your name. So as if I have already told you, the first step will always be starting the process, and the last step will always be ending the process, and the middle steps will be reading and displaying. Reading and displaying is nothing but taking some input, and displaying is nothing but giving some output. So in this there is no process because we are not doing any kind of mathematical multiplication or mathematical addition or something operations. We are not doing any kind of things. So simply I would like to tell that we are doing here taking some input and printing the same output. So step 1 is starting the process. Step 2 is reading the name. Step 3 will be displaying the name. Step 4 will be ending this process. So similarly I would like to explain with another example too. Write an algorithm to add two numbers. So as if I have already told you, the step 1 will always be starting the process, and the last step will be ending the process. In middle, if you see, to add two numbers, we require two variables, right? So A and B are called as variables. Variables are nothing but the alphabets which stores some value of the integer. Simply, I will explain them in other videos also completely. So listen first of all. So if you're taking two inputs which are also called as two numbers here, the first number will be stored in the variable called as A, and the second number will be stored in the variable called as B. So the addition of these two numbers is stored in the another variable called as C. So here our ultimate inputs are A and B, and the ultimate output will be C. So finally we are displaying the ultimate output called as C. Have you understood? I hope you all have understood this algorithm. If you have not understood, let me know in the comments. I will try to explain more further simply in a simpler manner. So this is all about the algorithm. In the next video, I am going to explain about the flowcharts and Rather, I will process with C programming too. Thanks for watching. Let us meet in the another video.